You can modify a standing scaffold on ScaffoldIQ. Find the scaffold to be modified and tap on the scaffold pin. Select Standing, and then tap Modify. Select to either create a new request or to create a scheduled modification. If you select to request to modify a scaffold, you will need to approve the request. If you select Scheduled Modification, we can skip the request process. Tap on Scheduled Modification and tap the tick icon. This will launch the activity screen. Here you can make changes, such as adding the need date by tapping on the Date section and tapping a date from the calendar that appears. When done, tap the tick icon. When you return to the map screen, tap on the scaffold, select Standing, then tap Modify. You will notice an activity has been created. Tap on Use an existing selected modification, then tap the tick icon. This will launch the activity. Make any changes and tap the tick icon. The scaffold status will change to Modification in Progress. Tap Modification in Progress and tap Complete Modification. This will launch the activity screen. Make any changes and tap the tick icon. The modification will be complete.